Are you looking for a local, reliable, and affordable electrician? Do you need a residential or commercial electrician? Do you want to hire an electrician with years of experience and many great customer reviews? If so, you've come to the right place. We are fully licensed and insured and have performed electrical work for hundreds of local clients. Whether you need electrical panel work, sub-panels, smoke detectors, lighting, circuits, or wiring installed, we can do it all. Contact one of our friendly staff now to get a free, no obligation quote on your electrical work.